Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the volume of an audio track you create and edit on LMMS. So let us guide you through it. So open up your project in the LMMS app, and let me tell you guys that it depends on the component of your audio track, how you customize or adjust the volume. For example, here in the song editor, make sure that you access the song editor by clicking into view here and by selecting song editor there. You will see a list of all audio components of your current audio track, like sample tracks, beats, bass lines, and so on and so forth. And each one of these has this volume button. So you will need to double click into it. For example, the sample track here, or for the beat or bass line within the beat bass line editor, double click into it. I can't do this due to copyright reasons, due to the sound, but you will need to double click into it, and then you will see a field here where you can enter a volume ranging from -100 to +100 units, and you can play around with this and set your volume for the given audio component. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.